Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem which comes up when you're connecting to a Wi-Fi network. When you try to connect a network like that and then you see this error coming up, can't connect to this network. That's what I'm going to solve in this video, so stay tuned until the end and watch until the end. I will show you the best tricks on how to solve this error. So the first method is using the adapter method. So head on to your settings and then select network and internet, tap on network and internet, and then you're going to look for down there, then you change adapter options, and then you're going to see there's Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So right click in Wi-Fi, and then I want you to first disable this, disable the adapter, and then after then you enable it again. So that one should help you solve the first. At least try that. If it fails, solve the problem. Just make sure you watch the next method which I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you're a fan of tips, tricks, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So the next way to solve this error is go to your settings, and then in that search area put drivers. You'll see the device manager popping up on your screen, and then it will direct you to the device manager. So you tap the device manager and then it will direct you to this. Now I want you to be very keen on this part and try to look for network drivers, something like network drivers. Scroll down to look for the network drivers. Yes, there you go. The network, those are the network adapters. So the network adapters, then as you can see, the second one, right click on it. Any adapters you're having, maybe try to update your adapters.Maybe the previous one is out of date. Try to update it and see if it really tries to solve the problem. So tap on it. When you tap on the update driver, it will take you to this. Then they'll ask you, do you want to search automatically for drivers or browse your computer? So if you're not on internet, just like right now you're not connected to any internet because the Wi-Fi is not connected, you tap on the other down below options from your computer. So you can see Windows has selected the best ever option for you to update your Windows. So that is it. Then the other option is always try to go and try to update your try to update your Windows. That is the third option. Always try to update your Windows. When you update your Windows, the latest drivers for every form of operation in the computer will be up to date, and you will avoid this error. So if you're loving the video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit like, so that the algorithm recommend this video. So those are the first methods you can apply to solve this can't connect this network problem. So the other option is, by the way, I upload tech videos every week, so just make sure you subscribe to my channel and join the family. The other option is you can try to connect again and see if it really connects after all the other options you have tried, and then maybe you can try to select the network and try select the network. As you can see, it's still failing to connect. But now the next option is that you're going to do to solve this problem again. If it fails to connect again, you're going to try and forget this network, forget and reconnect the network. So if the Wi-Fi is not connecting, just make sure you first forget it, just like this. Try to forget the network, and then reconnect again. It should be able to work. So that's the video, and you see it has connected. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.